Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Democracy allows people to voice dissent. The very fact that this government has disrespect for people is one aspect which I want to stress out, that time and time again when people really want to protest, they are put on a back foot. But when they want to go around with their dealings, nothing stops them. The very fact that this government uses some political vendetta to stop people from approaching and finding out their rights, they are suppressible into such ways that we people have no avenue.
Curfew is being extended time and time again. There are many things which are happening in Goa. People wanted to protest about the Major Ports Act, about these tar balls which are now being seen on the seashores, about rapes and crime which has increased in Goa. The moment you go for a permission, they decline the permission if it is beyond certain number of people. All public works are continuing, all other works are continuing, festivals are continuing, which is good. As the images show us, there are no COVID protocols which are followed. So, as the Honorable CM has himself reported, we have 100% vaccination in Goa. When we have 100% vaccination in Goa, first dose or whatever the case may be, and some others have otherwise antibodies in their body, then it might be that we have reached herd immunity. So if that is the case, question arises, why are we not allowed to protest?